creatures, it's me Daddy. Hope all are safe and sound. So today I'm going to share my personal favorite morning skincare duo which I love to use every morning and perfect for all skin types. So let's get into it. So first product from this duo, I'm going to show you DermDoc Under Eye Gel, which even has a niacinamide in it, and this highly emollient formula practically evaporates on contact and moisturize without leaving a shiny finish. So I've been using this since over a month and I still have a lot of it left. So let's move on to the second product, DermDoc 100% Squalane Face Serum, which is again ideal for all skin type, and this face serum formulated with 100% squalane to replenish moisture from your skin. And the best part about this, non-greasy with a high penetration rate which soften your skin and improve your skin texture. So I've been using this to over a month and I still have a lot of it left. That's all for today. Hope you all like the review. Please do subscribe to Khooobsooorat because you're beautiful. Love you.